Good day everyone, I am Merlin Joy D. Zavala from BS Hospitality Management 4C. Before I begin my demonstration, allow me to first introduce what ergonomics is all about. Ergonomics is the scientific discipline focused on optimizing the interaction between human and the system to enhance comfort, efficiency, and safety. It aims to design tools, tasks, and environments that accommodate human capabilities and limitations. We have three types of ergonomics: cognitive ergonomics, organizational ergonomics, and physical ergonomics. Cognitive ergonomics help us to process information more easily. For organizational ergonomics, ensures smoother teamwork and system. Physical ergonomics improve posture and reduces physical strain. Today, I have chosen to focus on physical ergonomics. Physical ergonomics is all about the relationship between our body and the way we work, sit, or move. It helps us reduce strain, improve comfort, and prevent injuries. To make this clear, I will now demonstrate the 5 practical examples of physical ergonomics that we encounter in our daily lives. So, let's begin. In conclusion, ergonomics plays a very important role in promoting health, comfort, and productivity in our daily lives. By applying the principles of ergonomics, especially physical ergonomics, we can prevent strain, reduce the risk of injury, and make our work more efficient. Through the example I have demonstrated, I hope we able to see how small adjustment in posture, movements, and workspace setup can make a big difference. Thank you for your time and attention.